back, we talked about Sallu being keenly interested in the making of his movies. This multi-talented actor has yet again managed to create news, displaying his Hatke Ada. Since he is plunging into production for the first time, he is making sure to give his final touch to every task. When Salman recently saw the theatrical trailer of his first production venture Chillar Party, he thought it was lacking the excitement and attention it was supposed to create, and so very spontaneously Salman dashed off a few lines and added that magic of his own peerless style of speaking to the introducing voiceover of the trailer. Chillar Party is a fun-feisty movie of a gang of innocent yet impish kids, Encyclopedia, Jangya, Akram, Secondhand, Panoti, Silencer, Aflatun and Shaolin, who encounter the entry of two strangers, Fatka and Bidu, and how they are inseparable from each other forms the story of the film. Well, Salman, we hope after the blunder that the script of Veer was, this little effort will turn out good. This is Yakuta Haji for Rajshri.com.